Hello, my name is Matthew, and this is Behind the Scenes of Foley Artists. We're storytellers with sound, and if we do our jobs correctly, it's like we're not even here at all. Foley art got started back in the day of radio days, where the sound guys would bring their props to the radio show to bring this show alive.
No, I'll take the jitney into town and get my car.
All right, Betty.
Hello?
A man named Jack Foley decided he'd do the same thing with moving pictures by bringing his props alongside the moving picture to bring that show alive.
You might not have heard of me, but chances are you've heard me. I'm a Foley artist. I recreate sounds for use in major motion pictures. Let me give you an example. Think of Spartacus's chain, Sam Spade's footsteps on like a wet street, or the timbers creaking on Captain Blood's galleon. That's me. That's Foley. That's what I do.
We're now going to demonstrate some easy at-home sounds you can make with everyday objects. First, we're going to make birds soar. In our next demonstration, we're going to show you how you can use the same item in the moving picture as you can in reproduction. As I said before, a Foley stage has many different surfaces. In this next demonstration, we're going to show you how you can use flat shoes on cement to create the sound of someone walking. The benefit of reproducing sound effects in post-production is you have to make sound effects such as bone snapping. In this next example, we're going to show you how creative you can be with celery. And now for a big finale. We're going to put everything that we've learned together, and it's very important to layer the sound so it makes a very realistic picture. And that is the art of sound making. Thank you for listening.